Yeah. Let's get it. Direct soul.
Told you, I knew it flipped out.
That's good. I know.
What's poppin'? Sorry.
You just come just now and talk about I told you.
I told you long no, because when we were recording, we could have been seeing us now.
Anyway, what's good? What's popping?
What's good?
What's popping? Look at her going over me. I can't do it. Let's go down. How white you look?
No, I'm playing, not that.
But yeah, guys, we are doing a vlog today. And as you see, T-Mac in the kitchen.
Cooking it up. 1 minute.
There she goes.
No beef to my ting.
So we got some mackerel today on the TNC vlog.
Howdy,
barbecue, special appearance and that.
You know what I'm saying?
So we got the barbecue going. Let me show you what we got going on. Look, look at these. We've got going on. He's about to chef up the place.
Come on. Come on, jerk another thing. Jerk it up.
We're still waiting for tea. Don't do that too spicy now.
Not too spicy, spicy, just spicy.
Spicy enough, yeah?
Jerky. Yeah. And a turkey, jerky.
This is not the cook. We still got to cook for TNT, you know.
I'm when you're ready.
Okay. Season it up. Say nothing.
Put the onion there, the onion rolls. Onion barbecue there.
No? Sweet chili.
Sweet chili for the side dressing.
I'm done.
Man, dirty, man.
I know.
Let's get real dirty.
Must marinate that chicken without the spoon in there. Guys, don't copy that bit.
Yeah, definitely don't copy that.
And don't worry, we're going to get him chefing up on the barbie. You know, a man can cook. Yeah, it's a blessing, you know.
Yeah. And I need to rely on no woman and say that they come home, no dinners, get ready and them things. Yeah. I'll tell you, I've got fish and chips or some oven food. Allow me.
I'm done with you.
Allow me.
Let's hit that camera.
Talk about it. You want to order Chinese, babe? Nah. I'll deal with it, babe. Don't worry. Yeah. With the TNC followers, especially sexy ladies out there. Yeah?
I'm done.
Oh wait, can get man like me, you know. Yeah. Chinese tonight. No, babes, don't worry, no Chinese tonight. Come deal with it. Yeah, I'll do the cooking. Yeah. What Chinese you want? Yeah. Tell me. I'll Google the recipe. Simple as that.
Say that. Alright, we're gonna come back to the
good.
When we start putting it on the time. We'll be back, guys.
Got some little sheesh.
Okay, chef Fins. What's this?
Well, this is the sheesh.
You see how we could have really done that? This could have been tofu for tea. Just saying. But we're not vegan, sorry for the vegan people. Plus tea. Yeah, she ain't here yet, so I can rub it out. No, joking. So what we got now?
I have a little shish.
We got a little shish kebab.
Lamb thing.
Right. You see this, ladies? Yeah. Get yourself a man that can kick.
Trust me, trust me.
And you might think, what if I fall? Hello? What if you don't?
She's running my drink now. Look at her in my cup. Look at her cup.
That's pineapple.
Look, I don't know where you're from. I grew up in London, East Side, was out head since knee high. I can tell you what the streets like. Ain't no f***ing sweet life. I'm taking from the Haribo or toothpaste. I'll be for more pain than a toothache. It's a risky road, any day can be a doomsday. It's so dumb cause I ain't getting young, still I move babe. Got bare keys to bare different yards on a smooth base. It's no fun living on the run for a food case. I don't roll when I fake ones on a two-face. So pass dance on your screw face, you're done with it. Like my podcast, it's a new wave. So don't ask me about no due date. To my fans, yo, they go crazy when I damn flow. I'm an OG, my young G's.
So I'm getting my Chef Mackin's in the building.
Is it there?
I'm there. I'm roasting for you as well.
So to know where you're
Belly full. Belly nice.
What if I get, look, then I get cut off. Go on, have a
Belly
moment.
full. Belly nice.
Have a whole moment. Go on.
My belly is called
It's a wrap, okay?
I need one more rap though. I need the last rap. But, hey, if I do say so myself, but.
So guys, the food was nice. For me, it was a bit pippy. But it was flavors. It was flavors. I don't know what we're talking about.
Oh Lord.
Anyway, guys, it was a lovely meal. She had a vegan, and I had what I have prawns. Was it lamb?
We're definitely getting good
Chicken.
in the corner.
I know, but we don't care. It's a quick vlog. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all them things there.
All of the good stuff. You know what to do now.
Yeah.